Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use cruise control BMW X3. Start by finding the cruise stalk left of the steering wheel and read the symbols. With a steady speed above 25 mph, press the set button to lock in your speed. Use plus or to fine-tune by small increments. To resume, press resume or tap the stalk. To cancel, tap brake or press cancel for immediate control return. Adaptive Cruise is a helpful assist that uses radar to match the car ahead and keep a safe gap. Press the adaptive button and choose your preferred following distance with the distance control. The system will slow or stop the car if traffic demands, then resume when safe. Always stay alert, keep hands on the wheel, and be ready to override by braking or steering whenever road conditions change. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker adds simple voice control and great sound for podcasts and directions in your car setup, and it fits neatly on a console or home desk. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Treat cruise control as a convenience, not a replacement for attentive driving, and avoid use in rain, snow, or heavy traffic. Keep hands on the wheel and watch the lane and surroundings even when adaptive features are engaged. For highway cruising, it reduces fatigue and smooth speed changes, but always be prepared to brake or steer manually. Regularly review your BMW settings to match your comfort and safety preferences before long trips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.